Did you get a patty, Ratty?
Yeah.
So with the callaloo, you just want to soften it up enough and then chop it?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a reason why you don't want to chop it when it's raw?
You can't chop.
Oh, it's just too tough?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's raw. You chop up the leaves, you know?
Yeah.
Then I get the pepper pot through. This is Irish I'm putting it now right now. Straight Irish. And after the Irish, sweet potato. I cook a delicious soup. A delicious pepper pot soup tonight. Yes. Every one pan you see, you're gonna love it, you know. Yeah, man. Pepper pot. Straight pepper pot soup tonight. We not gauge nor ramp, you know. We need a gauge nor ramp, you know. We just a shoot video right now. Make a nice pepper pot soup, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody must look to it. From all over the Caribbean. You like it? You don't like it. You don't like it. But I know. What you don't know, you have to ask it. Each one teach one, you know. You can't too old to learn, you know.
Never.
Never. Never, sir. So this is the sweet potato now.
Man, the froth is getting nice and green.
That was green, man.
Wow.
The soup are going to look good, man. Good color in the soup. You know?
I've heard of this one, but yeah, I've never tasted it before.
You never hear about banana porridge, not plantain porridge, and it come tasty.
No. I've had a lot of new ones this week, considering I've been coming here for a long time. Yeah.
New one now put up, you know. What we can find, what the people don't like, you know.
Yeah.
Only thing we don't get yet, we don't get lobster yet.
No. We've tried for years to get lobster and it never works out yet. Whoa. You got dogs attacking chickens. Hey, Big Head, what are you doing? Big Head, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? Leave the chickens alone.
Two men don't want ratty birds it, you know, I might jump on it, you know.
Right.
Put it away before the fuck we go on, you know.
Oh, Ratty was jumping on the
Yeah, man, we fuck it up with birds it, you know.
our what was it again? Pig box? Pigtail box?
Pigtail.
Pigtail box.
Pigtail box.
Pigtail box. So.
The color start to change matter to green, from white to green, you know.
Yeah.
Pepper pot soup. See, it changed from white to green. Now you have a serious pepper pot soup, this.
Yeah, it changes pretty fast.
Alright, sir. Go mad.
Except Junior.
Yeah, I'm sure I do some last hour, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, last hour.
Well, not as much work as Mokko, but we're working hard too. I think we work equally hard, yeah.
That was a good color, man. Pumpkin in there, you know. Carrot in there, you know. Irish in there, you know. Cocoa in there, you know. All of those stuff, you know. What I can get to put in it, you know.
Green banana too.
Two green bananas. You know, Messian with all of them, but Put in something, you know. Bam.
So we learned all about the banana types with the banana porridge.
Yeah, man, banana put in everything, man.
What type of banana is this one?
Valerie.
Valerie.
Valerie porridge, Valerie.
And what do the Rastas call it again?
Ainana. Friana. Ainana.
Ainana? Really?
Friana.
Friana?
Otherwise, banana.
Ainana.
Ainana. Ainana. Ainana mean banana. That's what we talk about. Ainana mean banana.
means my banana.
It's my banana. Yeah.
Get your own. Yeah, I bet people, including myself, didn't know the banana was so versatile.
Ah.
I mean, we in Canada we use it for
chips and all those things.
Well, yeah, I guess we do use it for quite a few things. You get it in chips, you put it in smoothies. I like the peanut butter banana sandwich. When I was living in a van, that was pretty much an everyday thing for me. It's cheap and easy and no cleanup, or not very much.
How much month you stay in Ivan?
I lived in the van for 4 months.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I told you all about it. My queen size bed in the back.
Yeah.
Living at the surf break, working in the town.
Then when you want shit, where you go? How it work?
Try to camp somewhere where
there's
somewhere I could go.
You pull over somewhere where you
Yeah.
know it's more safe and privacy, you know?
Yeah. And like I was telling you, the lifestyle is so great. If you're tired, here's my bed right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really hungry. All my food's right here.
You feel like you could have do it right now? Same way?
Yeah, I'd do it again.
All of them like how too much bad man are going and too much fuckery. I think so.
Yeah.
And then maybe say, oh, what this white man I walk around with him bed and in that truck. Oh.
Well, you know, the only thing that was hard about being in the van is I was trying to edit Rasta Kitchen. And I'm in the van. It's a 1989 Mitsubishi.
Wow.
And to charge my laptop or to even work on it, I had to pop the front seat up to get to the engine because it's actually right under the seat. It's not under the front hood. And then I'd have to rig up some battery thing I bought from the equivalent of Walmart, an inverter.
Yeah.
And then guess who would constantly blow up the inverter or drain their battery dry? So I'd be at some random surf break in New Zealand working on Rasta Kitchen. All of a sudden, I hear some click. Try to start my car. Battery's done. So luckily I bought one of those like self-charger things. But I blew up a few of those too. So yeah, that was all the effort to do Rasta Kitchen in the van, or working in coffee shops or wherever. But in New Zealand, it's not like at home. Like people work in coffee shops all the time. It's pretty normal to go work on a laptop. In New Zealand, I got kicked out a couple times.
Really?
Yeah, people were pissed off. Even though I bought food and stuff.
Really?
With the van?
Yeah.
You got New Zealand with the van too?
The van I bought in New Zealand, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Then you did sleep in the van too in New Zealand too?
Yeah, 4 months in New Zealand, yeah. I never had a van in Canada yet, but I would like to.
Then what you do with the van now? That New Zealand?
Well, you know, it was dying. I had some pretty serious problems with it. It was pissing oil.
Oh.
And eventually I decided to leave the country and I had to get rid of the thing, and man, I think I sold it for like $200.
Okay,
Yeah.
What did you pay for it?
Oh, I think I paid $2,700.
Yeah.
And I blew some tires and had to put a little into it. But you know, 4 months, it's pretty cheap.
Yeah. So was it in significantly worse shape when you sold it than when you bought it?
Not externally, but inside it was not so good. Yeah. Van life is a good life. It's a nice, simple life.
This light.
So this Dada Rasta is living. It's in a bag with dirt in it, and it's just been growing on the fence for years.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, parasite. No?
That's so crazy. It's a parasite? Actually, yeah, you know, I saw it on the tree right around the back.
They grow anywhere, brother.
So it's soft enough, time to fish it out? Wow.
How pretty, man. I got change color too, you know, got pumpkin in there, you know.
Orange up a bit.
Yeah, man. Pepper. Fire.
Wind up me waist in a rubber dub style. Yes, in a rubber dub style. Tell you, in a rubber dub style. And in a rubber.
It's for the dogs?
Because,
Fowl.
get that junk, you know.
Okay, the fowl like the coconut. Enjoy fowl. Oh, he's going for it. They love it.
Yeah, man.